The history of Lamborghini is an exciting journey of innovation, rivalry, and high-performance engineering that started with humble beginnings. Here is a full look at the history of Lamborghini from its founding to the present. ####1. Founding by Ferruccio. Lamborghini, 1963. Lamborghini was founded by Ferruccio Lamborghini, an Italian industrialist, in 1963 in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. Before founding the company, Ferruccio was already a successful businessman in the tractor manufacturing industry. His company, Lamborghini Trattori, produced agricultural equipment and had made Ferruccio wealthy. Origin story. Legend has it that Ferruccio Lamborghini decided to create his own sports car company after a heated dispute with Enzo Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari. Lamborghini owned a Ferrari, but was dissatisfied with its reliability and comfort. When he voiced these complaints directly to Enzo Ferrari, the latter reportedly insulted him, saying he was just a tractor maker and knew nothing about sports cars. This motivated Ferruccio to prove him wrong. ###2. Early models, 1960s. Lamborghini immediately set out to create luxury sports cars that were faster, more comfortable, and more reliable than Ferrari. His approach was to hire top talent to achieve this vision, including engineers Gian Paolo Dallara and Paolo Stanzani, and designer Franco Scaglione. First model, Lamborghini 350 GTV, 1963. The first Lamborghini prototype was the 350 GTV**, which was unveiled at the Turin Auto Show. In 1963, it was a front-engined, V12, powered sports car. Though it was well received, the production model was refined into the Lamborghini 350 GT in 1964, with better proportions and improved performance. Lamborghini 400 GT, 1966, Following the success of the 350 GT, Lamborghini released the 400 GT, a more powerful model with a 4.0-liter V12 engine. ###3. The Miura and Supercar legacy. Late 1960s to 1970s, The late 1960s marked Lamborghini's transformation from a luxury GT carmaker into a supercar manufacturer, particularly with the introduction of the iconic Lamborghini Miura. Lamborghini Miura, 1966, launched in 1966. The Miura was the world's first true supercar with a mid-engine layout. Designed by Marcello Gandini at Bertone, it revolutionized the automotive industry with its stunning design, 4.0-liter V12 engine, and top speed of over 170 miles per hour, 275 kilometers per hour. The Miura firmly established Lamborghini as a serious competitor to Ferrari and marked the beginning of the mid-engine supercar trend. Lamborghini Espada, 1968. The Espada was a four-seater Grand Tourer, launched in 1968, offering both performance and practicality. It had a unique design with its large glass rear window and spacious interior, showcasing Lamborghini's range of capabilities beyond supercars. ###4. Financial struggles and ownership changes. 1970s to 1980s, While Lamborghini gained immense fame for its cars, the 1970s brought financial difficulties for the company. The 1973 oil crisis, combined with economic challenges, hurt demand for high-performance cars. Lamborghini Countach, 1974. Despite these challenges, Lamborghini released the Countach, another legendary model designed by Marcello Gandini. It was known for its extreme wedge shape, scissor doors, and innovative styling. The Countach became a symbol of the 1970s and 1980s supercar culture. However, production of the car could not save the company from financial difficulties. Ownership changes. In 1972, Ferruccio Lamborghini sold 51% of his shares to Swiss businessman Georges-Henri Rossetti, and in 1974, he sold the remaining shares to René Limer, effectively exiting the company. Financial instability led to the company filing for bankruptcy in 1978. Chrysler. Acquisition, 1987. After a series of ownership changes during the early 1980s, American carmaker Chrysler Corporation bought Lamborghini in 1987. Under Chrysler, Lamborghini introduced new models and technology, including the Lamborghini Diablo. ####5. The Diablo era, 1990s. The Lamborghini Diablo, released in 1990, replaced the Countach and became the flagship of Lamborghini's lineup for over a decade. It was one of the fastest cars of its time, with a top speed of over 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour, and a 5.7-liter V12 engine. The Diablo went through several iterations, including the Diablo VT, which introduced all-wheel drive, and high-performance models, like the Diablo SV, Diablo GT, and Diablo GTR. Financial struggles continued. Despite the success of the Diablo, Lamborghini remained financially unstable throughout the 1990s. Chrysler sold Lamborghini in 1994 to Indonesian conglomerate Megatech ***, which then sold it in 1998 to Audi AG, a subsidiary of the Volkswagen Group. ###6. The Audi era and modern Lamborghini. 2000s present ***, Audi's acquisition in 1998 ***, marked